just remember, before we get to the video, the side marker lights that are on the side are different from GMC to Tahoe. So I'll put the part numbers for what you're gonna need. I got them from O'Reilly's. They're like $5 each. So I got those to put them on, same headlights, same everything else, but you are going to need the different side markers because the trim is just a little bit different. But that's it. We'll get on to the video and you'll see the Mexico grill installation. It should take you like 30 minutes. Or it'll take you like 3 hours like me because I had to fix one of my blinker bulb socket deals, but we're good now. Aw, no Suburban. Oh, I got a tutor in here. We got 17 minutes. It'll work. We can make it work. Is that right?
Looks right.
Yeah. We got it like upside down. Mexico grill. On a Chevy Tahoe. But you should know that if you're doing the Mexico grill conversion and you want to do with the GMC front end, you're going to need GMC side markers. This is a right hand and I think this is the lower. So this fits perfect. But if you have the Chevy one, if you have the Chevy side markers, it's going to feel like shit. Give me the one that you broke and dropped.
I didn't break and drop it.
Broken.
It's not broken.
Shit's fucked.
It's not broken.
Shit's... So this is
The correct one.
L.
The wrong one.
L. Right here. Looks like shit. Doesn't go on at all. Waste of $7 on Amazon. It doesn't fit.
That was your fault.
Now it's broken. Alright. Oh, I got the grill from OBS Parts on Instagram. He's a fool out of Compton. So this is who I got in contact with for my Mexico front grill. You can see here he has badges and he only sells right now particularly on Instagram. So if you're in California, here we go. We got more of the Mexico grills or GMC grills, and he'll state here if it's going to be a local pickup or not, but this is where I got mine from. So he shipped it to me, and he also has a bunch of other trim and a whole bunch of other pieces, whatever you're going to want. But this is his only account. Be aware of bot accounts. But I got it from him. He's out of Compton, and he helped the full out. So I don't really know him. He ain't telling me to promote him or do nothing, but you know what I'm saying? This is where I got my stuff from. And, you know, he's doing his thing. So, you know, if 1 or 2 people on here watch his stuff, you know, help him out, that'd be cool. But if you need all your OBS parts or whatever, this fool is the plug for every little trim piece that you're gonna need. But yeah, hit him up, message him, and directly on here send him a message for something you need, and that'll be it. So hit him up and he'll do it. I bought some badges and shit from him too. I'm probably gonna get some more interior pieces and trim. OBS Parts on Instagram. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. I got this from carparts.com, but you can get any GMC Yukon as long as it's the same year, because this is 96, so any 96 and after is gonna fit. And it's simple. You got a screw there, you got 3 or 4 that are gonna be up here underneath the hood. Make sure you get the right corner lights, like I said. Same headlight and same side light, it all fits. I even got new hardware in here, and I even got the pieces, the inserts that go into the plastic. The local auto parts store had them, but that was it. OBS Parts right here on Instagram. I'll put it up. He'll ship you the Mexico logo. I got red and black. He also has the gold and silver for the Chevy emblem, but I like this one because I got red, you know, accent there. The Z71 is red. Obviously, I mean, red taillights, whatever. But then I also have the rear disc brake conversion where the calipers are red. And the GMC wheels that I had, these 18s, you know, that obviously is red. So I guess I got little touches of red everywhere. But I just did an alignment. I put the grill on. And it's slowly... Man, that bit look good as fuck, bro. This shit look good. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the hood. I don't know if this used to be another red hood, but that was it. The lower valence, or not valence, but the filler, because this is the filler piece that's right here. You can see, you could take that apart and clean it and paint match it if you want. This black, I like how it looks raw and clean here, so I'm probably just gonna leave that alone. This bumper, someone that I've had, this has been in here since I got it. I only had the Tahoe for a year and a half, 2 years. So these, I guess they had lights or a thing put on there, but what I want to do is I want to get the diesel one or the limited one, because that's going to have the fog lights that are going to be in here. So slowly it's coming together. But man, this should look good as hell. I'm gonna lower it, then I'm gonna be on my way to Georgia to get my motor. Ugh, I just like the way it looks. And eventually, yeah, I will do something about the fender flares, but for now, damn, this should look good as a motherfucker right now. Make sure I'm not, the mufflers aren't gonna burn. Okay, the mufflers ain't gonna burn anything right now. But that's it. So here, I got my transcooler. I got my derail transcooler with a fan. I had to take the fan off for it to fit, so it don't really need the fan right now. But once I relocate it to the rear, I'll put the fan on it. That's it. It's crazy. Just the grill made a little bit of a difference. My homie came up to me, he's like, yo, what? You did something like majorly different, because the whole thing looks different. Oh man, I got the wash marks in there because my paint is old. But no, that was it. Slowly. And we're going to be up and running. But we're going to have more videos. I don't got no video on the Suburban. If you don't know, I also have a quadra steer Suburban that I'm doing videos on. So that I got a lot of stuff coming along the way, but I got some parts issues right now, some part delays and issues like that. Man, this shit looks so good. God damn. Yeah, we'll see what we do on the next video. We got plenty more. Slowly but surely, two-door are gonna take over the world.